Good afternoon to my teachers. Hi to my old friends. I, Jyotsana Avasti, student of B.Ed 4th Ms in Vasudev Girls Degree College. Today in this video, I will tell you about the Sainik School, and I cover some topics like history of Sainik School, organizational setup of Sainik School, admission procedure of Sainik School, and also the reservation policy of Sainik School, and about the first Sainik School. So, Sainik School, as we know, it are purely meant for young men who wish to serve the nation. My knowledge was limited to the single statement. However, there is a lot more, as we shall see in this video. Sainik, when translated, means soldier. These are the system of schools in India, established and managed by the Sainik School Society under the Ministry of Defence. They were conceived in 1961 by V.K. Krishna Menon, the then Defence Minister of India, to rectify the imbalance caused by religion, class and creed among the officer cadre of the student for entry into the National Defence Academy and the Indian Naval Academy. Now, the history of Sainik School. Sainik School draw inspirations from the Rashtriya Indian Military College or RIMC. The objective of the Sainik schools is to prepare the student to lead as officer in the defense service of the country. The school select smart and promising students through a national entrance exam and mold their personality in order for them to become leader of the nation. Seats are reserved for children of serving defense personnel and concessions are given to the children of government officials. Here is the organizational setup of Sainik School. The Sainik schools are managed by the society, which is registered under the Society Registration Act 21 of 1860. The chief executive body of the Sainik School Society is a board of governors functioning under the chairmanship of the Defence Minister for exercising closer control and supervision over the affairs of Sainik School. There is an chairmanship of Defence Secretary. The day-to-day work of the society is managed by Honsi Secretary, who is assisted by inspecting officers under Secretary Sainik School Society and SO like Sainik School Cell. Admission procedure of Sainik schools. Admission to all Sainik school is only meant for boys and the entrance examination is organized for admission to class 6 and 9. Students who are between the age of 10 and 11 years and 13 and 14 years respectively on 1st July of the year in which they wish to take the admission are entitled to take the examination for getting admission into class 9th. Sainik schools are fully residential schools run on public school lines. All the schools are member of All India Public School Conference. They offer a common curriculum and are affiliated to the CBSE New Delhi. Now, the reservation policy of Sainik School. 15% of the available seats are reserved for scheduled caste candidates and 7.5% for scheduled tribe candidates. 25% of the remaining seats are especially reserved from the child of serving and retired defense personnel. The balance seats are occupied by open category candidates based on the order of their merit. Generally, the application form, sample, question papers and prospectus are made available by Sainik School in the months of October and November. 67% seats are reserved for boys of the state where the school is located. The balance 33% seats are open to boys from all other states and units. Within the board classification, 25% seats are reserved for sons of service personnel including ex-servicemen, while 15% seats are reserved for SC and 7.5% for ST candidates. Sainik School, who is the first Sainik school of the country, was founded through the visionary efforts of Sri Yashwant Rai Chavan, the then Chief Minister of Maharashtra State. It was inaugurated by the Defence Minister of India, Sri V.K. Krishna Menon, on 23rd June 1961. The school is authorized for the 620 boarders. All boarders from class 6 to 9 reside in 6 houses, 2 juniors and 4 seniors houses. This school is located in Maharashtra, Satara. So I hope you all got the full knowledge of the Sainik school. Thank you.